guys, welcome to Run Around Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful antique mirror. I love it. It's super easy to install and it's nice and heavy, beautiful. The mirror part does come out. It's got the flaps on the back if you need to. But as you can see, like the details on it is really nice. It's like a gold finish around, and then the mirror inside, it's perfect size. You can use it in a living room, in a bedroom, even a bathroom. You can use this as a bathroom mirror. Lots of possibilities, you name it. But overall, it's a great mirror, looks beautiful, and I highly recommend it. So I hope you enjoy. Bye.